page with OPEX Delta. A little bit about myself. I have a degree in applied biology for food and environment. I'm also a certified holistic nutritionist. So that means I'm a bit of a foodie at heart, and I'm here today to show you some really simple, nutritious recipes. I'm going to show you a really simple way to de-rib and chop your kale. So first, just grab it from the rib, grab the leaves at the very base of it, and you're just going to grab and pull. And this can go in the compost, or you can freeze it for soup later. A super simple way to chop your kale is take those big pieces you just ripped off the ribs, stack them up. Any little pieces, pile them into the middle, and you're going to roll it up as tight as you can. And from here, with a nice sharp knife, we're just gonna make slices. And give it a nice rough chop. There you go. All right, we're going to cut the zucchini up. Just cut off the ends. Compost, and slice it down the middle. We're going to quarter it and chop it into nice little chunks. All right guys, if you are ever cutting onions or garlic of any sort, try not to cut it on the wood, as it will permanently smell like garlic and onions. Just chop off the end.
What if I like the smell of garlic and onions?
Well, go for it. And a nice little peel of beautiful fresh garlic. And just a rough chop here. And any green onion or the top of any onions fresh out of your garden will do. These ones are pretty strong coming straight off onions. So you've been warned.
My eyes are watering back here.
Really not. Alright guys, this thing is amazing. It is my little herb saver. So anytime you get fresh herbs from the market or from your local farmer, you just place them in here once you've cleaned them, fill some water up, put it in the fridge, and they last way longer. And you can just take what you need. Alright, for this recipe guys, you can literally use whatever herbs you have on hand. So here I've got some fresh dill, some curly parsley, and some flat leaf parsley. And for this, you guys, just a nice rough chop. Okay guys, you're gonna want your pan at a medium-high heat. You're gonna need a little bit of olive oil on the side, some sea salt, and then all the vegetables that we just chopped. So your zucchini's gonna go in first for a couple minutes on its own. Then we're gonna toss in the garlic, the green onion, and the kale. And we're gonna finish it with those fresh herbs we just chopped up. All right, we're gonna start with about a tablespoon of olive oil. Keep a little more on hand for later. You're gonna toss the zucchini in, and a bit of sea salt. All right, we've got that zucchini nice and golden brown. We're gonna throw another tablespoon of olive oil in there, and that garlic, green onion, and kale mix. So this might seem like a lot of leafy greens, but if you've ever cooked kale or spinach before, you know it's gonna cook down to pretty much nothing. And you see it getting nice and bright green here. So at this point, we want to throw in those fresh herbs that we cut up. And just keep in mind, guys, that any really fibrous vegetable is going to be much easier on the digestive system when it's cooked. So if you suffer from gas or bloating frequently, you may want to look at sauteing your vegetables like so. All right, and you can just put this on any serving plate or pack it up to go for lunch tomorrow. Great family style or for meal prep. Hold it. And another optional add-on you can do, guys, is just throw on some chopped walnuts. A little added omega-3 benefit.